Hello.
Hello, ma'am. How are
Hi,
you
I'm
doing?
Swati. I'll be taking your session today. I'm doing good. How are you doing, Pradeep?
I'm doing good too, ma'am.
And how was your day?
It was good, ma'am. I
Did
went
you
to
do
college.
anything? Okay, you went to college. So your college is working offline as well?
Yes, ma'am. It just started on February 18th. It was just started on
Okay.
February 18th. Offline mode.
Wow, wow. You guys are following all the precautions, right?
Yes, ma'am. We are.
Okay, so let's come to today's session. Today's topic would be unexpected situation. So I'll be giving you a situation and you have to tell me how you will react to it and what all your reaction is. You have to explain that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So your first situation is imagine that you've graduated from your college and then you get a call from somewhere, a very nice city in India. You get a call for a job. So you fill in
Okay.
the interview details and then they even take an online interview. They send you an offer letter and then you go over there. Then you enter their office and they are like, no, we did not take your interview. Then you show them the offer letter, you tell them about the interview and they say that no, it was all fake. It wasn't us. It must have been someone else. What is your reaction?
And first, it. I will be surprised firstly, and
Yes.
uh, and also I thought that my information was gone to that fake accounts and
Oh,
all
right,
that.
right. Right. That's a
And
consequence.
and yeah, I will accept the situation, and I'll
Okay.
I'll try to. And yeah, I came here for job opportunities, and I'll ask them to, is there any vacancies on their company?
Okay,
And
okay. So they say that no, we were not involved in this interview in any way. So would you like to take an action against the company when they deny any authority over this whole scenario? Would you take any action against the company or will you just go back home?
yeah, I won't take I won't go any I won't go against the company. I just went to the I'll just go to the police station, and yeah,
Okay.
my information was used in some fake websites and at that company, and I'll try to uh, uh,
Okay.
yeah, I'll complain against them. That's it.
Yeah, that's also a very confident and a safe move to make. You don't want to risk all of it for just one call. But after all
Yes,
of this has happened, who would you like to call for advice? Any family member, any friend?
I'll call to my teacher, ma'am. I'll have I yeah I'll have a
Your
teacher to
college teacher?
always my school teacher, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So you
Yeah,
are still in contact with your school teacher?
yes, ma'am. I am. She is always
Okay.
there to help me. She to guide me, to give suggestions.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's a good thing. Firstly, Pradeep, I'll ask you, are you nervous?
somewhat.
Don't be, because I can sense the energy that you're a little bit nervous. Let me tell you, you don't have to be. I'm not your teacher, okay? I won't judge you, I won't scold you. We are here as friends. So don't be
Yes, ma'am.
nervous,
Yeah.
answer confidently. Because for
Okay.
me, confidence is the key, okay? You can strive in everything if you're confident enough. So, firstly, learn
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Rest,
I
all
work.
the other things will come later. Yeah?
I'm working on that confidence. Yeah. Yes.
Yes. And that will
I'm
build up. Yeah, it's not a difficult thing. Okay, so you would like to
okay.
contact your teacher. But after
Yes, ma'am.
this, after all of this has ended, would you like to spread social awareness through any social media platform that some other children who might come after you, they can also
Yes,
fall
ma'am.
into this trap. So would you like to do something about that?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to. I shared that incident to everyone, to my friends and families on and WhatsApp. We all have WhatsApp too.
Yes,
Yeah.
the fastest way of communicating would be WhatsApp messages, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So after that job did not work out, would you like to stay in that city since that is not your hometown? So would you like to stay in that city and search for another job? or will you go back to your house and just look for jobs from there? What would be your decision in this situation?
I would go back to my home and search
Okay.
jobs over there and search for jobs
Okay,
over
yeah.
there.
Okay, that makes sense. You wouldn't have to stress
Yes, ma'am.
yourself in the new city, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so just imagine that then you receive another call from the same city. You go over there. Now, this job offers more income. This is accurate, okay? They weren't fake. So, how are you feeling right now? What is your reaction?
I'll feel very happy for that. And yeah, even though what has uh, occurred before is, yeah, it's excellent, really. But I'll got a good job over there. Yeah,
Okay, can I
I
correct
will
you?
feel very happy, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can.
Yeah, you said I will got. Did you understand the mistake? Will is
I will
future
get.
tense. Got.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. You know that, right? You have to listen to
Yes.
yourself while you're speaking, so you wouldn't make
Okay.
this mistake. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the best thing that can work. Listen to yourself instead of focusing on what to say next. Just listen to yourself. Words will come automatically. There's no tension about that. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
after this happy situation, there's another unexpected situation. Are you ready for that?
I'm ready for that now.
Okay, so now imagine that you are in a bank, you're the manager of the bank, you're sitting in your office, working, signing important documents, and suddenly two robbers enter the bank with guns. Now they
It
are
was on the
pointing the guns
script.
at your head. Yeah. Yeah, you were saying something?
Yeah, it was on the script. This bizarre situation is
Okay,
on the
this-
material we have.
Right,
Yeah,
right, right.
but
Yeah.
I haven't
So
to think what to say. Okay, ma'am. Go on.
yeah, because you have to think the answers. They cannot tell you the real answer. Then why will you think? You just read the script and tell me the whole script. Yeah, you
Okay,
have to
ma'am.
think. Okay, so yeah, they point the gun at your head and then they ask you to give them the key of the locker. So what will you do? Will you try to negotiate with them, or will you just give them the key that take all that you want to, just leave us alone? What will you do?
I'll try to uh, I'll try to make them. I mean, I'm not getting the word now.
Try,
For,
try.
I'll try. I'll try. I'll try to fight with them.
Okay, but like the hands fight
Yeah,
or the
gun. The
words
gun.
fight? But how will you fight
The
with them? They have the guns, you have no
guns.
weapons, you're harmless.
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you
I'll try.
fight? Will you
I'll
fight
try
with
to
your
distract them. I got the word. I'll try to distract them with my words
hands?
and yeah.
Okay, and snatch their weapon from their hands. Is that your plan? Okay,
And
that's a
also,
very risky move. You know that, right? What if
yes,
they
ma'am.
shoot the
That
gun
is,
and it hits someone?
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
but this would be your strategy, right?
And yeah, or I'll distract them while they're walking, and I'll secretly call to the police station with my
Okay,
phone, and yeah,
right,
I'll
right.
write in.
So they can power up the whole bank.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah, this is a very risky move, but I hope that this works in our hypothetical situation. And after
Yes,
that, the
ma'am.
whole scene has ended. You are scared, you are in a trauma. Would you like to change your profession from being a bank manager, or would you just increase the security and chill in your office? What would you do?
Yeah, that's experience. I have to learn something from that.
Right.
I would stay as a manager, and I would try to uh, I will try to uh,
Mhm.
mm, mm, I will try to have more security and yeah, told the upper yeah the one above me in the job.
Okay, your superiors.
Yeah, superiors. Yeah, I'll try to
Okay.
superiors to take action on the things. That's
Right, right. That would be a smart thing to do. Yeah, so you will
yeah.
stick to your profession. You're not a coward. You'll bravely fight them. So I
Yes,
want you
ma'am.
to use these words, okay? You have to use these adjectives that I would not act like a coward. I would be brave to stay in that profession and actually
Okay.
aim to make it all better. to improve the quality of the whole situation. So use
Yeah.
these words instead of plain sentences. Using the
Okay.
adjectives makes the sentence sound more presentable. Did you understand my point?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Now, can you think of any unexpected situation that you have faced? If only you can remember. If you can't, we will move on. Any situation where at first you were very scared that what is going to happen, but after that it went surprisingly well. Can you think of such situations?
No, ma'am, I didn't. I can't. But the unexpected
Okay.
situation for everyone is this corona virus to everyone
Yeah,
in the world.
right. Okay, so if I tell you that, tell me how this virus affected your life, maybe academically or maybe personally, anything, you can say anything about it. What would you like to say?
It affected the whole scenario of my regular life and
Mm-hmm.
academic life. Yeah, we were off from the campus to home, and
Right.
yeah, I learned so much from the in these holidays.
Okay,
I
what did you
mean,
learn? Did you develop a new skill?
no, I didn't. But I learned. My father is a farmer, and I want to work with my farmer. And
Okay.
I, yeah, I personally saw the thing. Actually, I'm studying in hostels till the eighth stand. Since I was in eighth standard, so
What
I'm
are you studying since you were in eighth?
in hostel.
Okay, in hostel.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
okay, okay.
staying. I was staying. Sorry.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Studying in hostel did not
Yeah,
make sense. Yeah,
sense, yes, ma'am.
yes.
So
Continue.
I didn't saw the uh, uh, yeah hard work my parents are doing, and also my yeah that's it. I learned so many works in for field. I took my cattle to the feed it. Yeah,
Okay, okay. Okay, so
and
you
also
made
I
the
watched
story.
so many website. I started watching English movies, web series. I started to
Okay.
I yeah I
Can I make one correction before you move further? Because then you'll forget the mistake if I take any
yes
longer.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes ma'am.
So you said I did not saw the hard work my parents did.
I
So
didn't see.
yeah, you know the thing, right? You just did not
Yes, I
hear.
know the thing, but I'm making the mistakes.
Yes, yes. Didn't see is the right form. Didn't saw
Okay.
would be wrong. You know the whole
Yes.
theory and everything. Okay. I just
Yes.
wanted to point it out so that you can know. Okay, so which
Okay.
movies and series did you finish? Can you name a few right now?
Yes, ma'am. I'm currently watching Friends series.
Okay,
I'm in
on which
the
season are
ninth
you?
season.
Oh wow,
And
wow,
ninth
you're
season.
about to end it. Oh my god,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
cannot
And
imagine.
also I wanna start it again. I wanna start watching it again.
You will rewatch it till the end of human culture because we will
Yes.
be rewatching it every day for the rest of our lives whenever you're
Yes,
eating
ma'am.
food and anything. Did you learn
Yes.
something or are you just enjoying the show?
I currently am just enjoying the show, and I in the right I'm right. And when I rewatch it again, I will try to focus on the language they are using. And
Yes, yes. And if you find any difficult word, I would say that write it down. Just make a small notebook and write all the new words that you find. Even
okay,
if
ma'am.
we don't get the time to revise it, writing it stores it in our visual and our whole memory system. That is
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to help. Okay, you're watching Friends, so that's a great thing. And any other movie that you really loved recently?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Okay,
And I would like to
you're fully focused
know
on
about
Friends.
you. Where are you from, ma'am?
Okay, I am from Madhya Pradesh, and where are you from?
I am from Andhra Pradesh, ma'am.
Okay,
Andhra
okay.
Pradesh, Telugu
Yeah,
state.
so when you
What do you
studied in
do other than
hostel,
tutoring and flopping, ma'am?
yeah, I study English honors. Okay, our
Oh,
time has already ended. It can cut off anytime
we are
now. Do you
running
have
out of
any
time.
questions? Yeah, if you have any questions, any doubts, let's cover them up right now.
No, ma'am, I don't have any question, but behind you, there are so many books. What do you love to
Actually, these
read,
are
ma'am?
not my books, Pradeep. These are not my books. These are my sister's
Okay.
books. Yeah.
Okay. I thought you are a vivid reader of
Yeah, well,
books.
I am, though I cannot read like her, she reads a lot, so I'm nowhere
Okay.
near that level. But yeah, I do read. Do you like to read?
Yes, ma'am, I like to read books.
Okay, which is the
I like to
last book
read
you
now. It was Revolution 2020, Chetan Bhagat's novel.
read? Okay, you like Chetan Bhagat?
Yeah, I started reading books in English, I mean novels with
Yeah,
Chetan Bhagat books.
I think Chetan Bhagat is a good beginner's writer. Later on, you can discover really nice books. I would recommend one book. Please do read it. Write it down if
Okay, ma'am.
you might forget it. It's Book Thief. It might be
Ma'am, I
here.
did.
Yeah, the
What
Book
is that
Thief.
book?
Do you want me to
Thief.
show you?
Yes, ma'am, I want. I'd like to.
Yeah, my sister has the hard copy. It's the book.
Okay. The book Thief. Wow, that's great, ma'am.
Exactly, yeah. You will love it.
Do you love it, ma'am?
Even though it looks thick, but the story is amazing. You'll go through a whirlpool of emotions. Plus, it's based on 1960s, so you'll find many nice words which we don't use in this daily life. But yeah, you
Okay.
learn a lot of things from this book, which usually Chetan Bhagat novels do not teach us, because his novel is usually based on romantic love stories.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I think Revolution 2020 was also, oh my God,
Yes,
last
ma'am.
year it was 2020. It's been so many years
Yes,
since.
ma'am.
Did you
Yes,
relate
ma'am.
it with the actual year, the book?
Yes, ma'am. I relate. I actually wanted to start it in the January, but I end up reading in December 2020.
Okay, if I tell you that in 1 minute you have to recap the whole book, what would you like to tell me about the book?
Yeah, it is good, ma'am.
Okay, what did you like the most about the book?
I love the ending, ma'am. That
Okay.
the hero
There is a plot
leaves
twist.
the girl
Or
to the
what happens in the
the-
end? Can you describe?
the hero leaves his girl to his friend, which he
Hero
he loves.
sacrifices. Is that the
Yes,
end?
ma'am, sacrifices. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you like
Because
sad endings where the hero loses? Is that the truth?
no, ma'am. No, ma'am. I
Very
love
happy.
happy endings. Yes, ma'am.
So you
I'm
were
not that.
shocked by it.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
ma'am. I
The
was.
session will cut us off now. Have a good night, and I hope you study really well and complete your Clappingo sessions with full success. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Bye, ma'am. Good night. It's nice talking to you.
Same here.
Bye. Good night.